everyone, this is Phong with Remax. I'm at my new listing. Just came on the market today. It's at 4717 Brookdale Drive, Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. And in front of the house, and this is the front door right here. This home has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath. So 1 story, it's got about 1,400 finished square feet. 1 level basement is unfinished, and I'm in the front part of the house. This is the living room. All the walls been painted. Have nice hardwood floor, and it's got a lot of natural light. On my left is this is the bathroom. It's fully been remodeled. New flooring, new vanity, new sink, new bathtub. This is a bedroom, 2nd bedroom, 3rd bedroom. This is the living room, looking towards the front door. This is the dining room. It's got an eat-in kitchen. It's got new dishwasher, separate oven, and the hood is new. It's a full view of the kitchen from a different angle. Well, here in the sunroom, this could be a 4-season sunroom. There's ducting already. It walks out to the deck. There's a door that goes out to the backyard. There's a patio. And looking at the back of the house, backyard is completely fenced in. It has a fire pit. It's got a playground great for the kids. This is the back of the house. We're back inside.